In this video, I will show you how to create Binance accounts. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To get started, what you're going to want to do is open up a new internet browser and come across to Binance.com. From here, if you look at the top right hand corner, you're going to see a yellow sign up button. So what you need to do is give that a click, and that's going to take you to a page like this. From here, what you can do is sign up with an email or phone, continue with your Google account, or continue with an Apple account. So in this example, we're going to sign up from scratch with an email or phone number. Once you've done that, be sure to tick the box to agree to the terms of service and privacy notice, and then click onto the next button underneath. What's going to happen next is a code is going to be sent to either your email address or phone number, depending on what you used to sign up with. Now, you need to make sure you do enter that code within the next 30 minutes to go ahead and verify your account. Once you've done that, what you need to do is set up a password. So you need to make sure this is 8 to 128 characters, at least one number, and at least one uppercase letter. Once that's done, click onto Next at the bottom. And at this point, if everything's okay, as you can see, it's going to give you a confirmation screen saying your account has been created successfully. Set it up now. So all you need to do is come and click on to continue at the bottom. If you do have a referral ID, this is the point where you can put that in. And you can also turn this on if you wish to agree to receive marketing updates from Binance about rewards and special offers. So what I'm going to do is click on to continue. And what it's going to do is take us into our dashboard, as you can see. So that is how to create Binance accounts. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.